Good morning. I literally just finished my breakfast. It is 7:30 in the morning. I woke up around half an hour ago. Well, actually, I woke up at 6:30 and then I snoozed my alarm for half an hour. Anyway, before we get started with this video, for those who don't know me, my name is Maddie. We call me Miss Rooney. I'm a student in London, living in central London. And today I have a lot to do. I'm going to work out, clean my kitchen and just my bedding area. I'm gonna make lunch. We're gonna write for my assignment that I have. If you didn't see my last video, it is currently exam season. Today I'm taking a bit of a school break, so I'm gonna be in school, but we're gonna do other stuff as well. I also have a meeting at around 12 and I need to edit this video. The first thing is to work out, so let's change our outfit into something appropriate for working out in. Okay, let's go to the gym. I'm bringing this water bottle because the water here has a lot of chalk in it. I think that's what you say. So I refill my water bottles in the gym that we have in my building just because it's filtered water. So I'm bringing this as my drinking bottle, but also I'm stealing water from the gym to my room. Okay, let's go. We're just walking to warm up my body because I literally just woke up, and then we're gonna do a light workout with some light weights. We got the heart rate up. That was that little workout. I'm gonna go jump in the shower. I might wash my hair today. But before, okay, so we're gonna shower, clean up this area, my desk and the kitchen. What should I wear? I could technically wear a dress. 17 degrees Celsius, guys, it'll be a dress. Oh, I love this dress so much. I got this from Zara not long ago. Yellow dress. Also, I'm gonna be sitting mostly writing today, so this dress is actually super comfortable, so it'll be good. Oh hello. Let's just clean this whole area. You know what we're doing. Alright, I just put my hair out of the towel. I cleaned up this whole area. Doesn't look clean, but it's germically clean. Cleaned up this area, and now I'm cooking some tortellini for lunch. I'm not gonna eat lunch yet. It's literally 9:30. I'm gonna take it with me to uni. I've spent a little bit of money eating out. I ate sushi yesterday, which costs £6.50, but still, we need to keep a little bit of a student budget. So I literally got these pasta for £1.20, and I'm gonna eat it today and tomorrow for lunch, so that's not a lot for a good lunch. Okay, packing my bags and glasses. Oh, my charger, very important. And that's about it. Let's walk to uni and study for the rest of the day. My daily coffee. Actually, it's really warm, so I was you know what, I'm just gonna get a iced latte. Oh, it's so good. Okay, so I'm gonna eat now because I have a meeting in 20 minutes and my friend is eating with her society. Here's some lunch. Okay, I actually have a meeting I had a meeting a minute ago, and I'm gonna rush to that meeting right now. I'm gonna do it outside because the study library floor is just too quiet. Literally rushed outside to have my meeting. I couldn't find a single desk, so this is my spot for now. A stone. God, what is this? pillar, stone pillar. This fucking construction is really good.
I can't imagine if I stayed back. What would happen if I never found you? Those times were hard and
that was it. I'm done.
Oh,
That was nice. Super friendly. Yeah, let's go and study some more for like maybe an hour, 2 hours, and then I'm gonna go out and get myself a smoothie or a coffee or something.
ooh, this world accused me for my 1,000 crimes.
I'm sorry for not like communicating to you guys a lot during my little study thing. Like it's been lasting for the past 3 hours. It's partly because like I'm just writing. I'm trying to write like the strengths part of my essay. It's very boring. Now I'm gonna go out and get something to drink. I might get a matcha actually. I'm just craving something to like drink to stay awake for the next couple of hours. Hi, can I have a chai latte please? With oat milk? Just been writing. It's boring for you guys to just see me write, I feel. Anyway, here's a little outfit of the day. Okay, let's go back for another 30 minutes to just write. Okay, I think I finished everything for today. Like the last thing I've written in the past hour, it looks absolute shit, but at least it's written and it can be perfected tomorrow. Let's see. My camera ran out of battery, but we're heading home. I'm so excited to go home. I'm so tired. Like my brain for the last 30 minutes, I'm able to write, but bro, that was not good writing. Awful. I desperately need to like correct that tomorrow. That's a later me issue, you know? Hello, I'm back. I got some Leon on the way home. I have the 15% student discount, so I think it was about £5, which I keep saying I should stop spending money on takeaway food, but I think buying food from the supermarket is like, if you want to make something easy that's also nutritious, that's chicken, rice, some sauce, maybe some vegetables. Buying that for just one person, like it's, I mean, you're saving maybe like £2, but still like you'll have to eat the same kind of food in a number of days. So today's dinner activity, because I'm not eating with anyone today, is gonna be watching Netflix or something to just like relax my mind. In the beginning of living alone, I remember I was kind of sad about like eating dinner alone. However now, honestly, it's quite nice actually sometimes. I just love having that like 30 minutes, enjoying my food, watching a good documentary or something, and then going out and being social or staying in and not being social. I remember in the beginning like getting used to living alone. That was very weird for me, but now it's completely normal. I don't eat alone every day. Either I FaceTime my family or my boyfriend or I eat with friends, but sometimes you gotta eat alone, and honestly, I don't mind. Oh my god, it was beautiful. And that was food done. It's currently 8:02. I spent the hour after eating like just browsing the web, paying some bills. I had to do them. Yeah, nothing special. Now I'm going to be spending the last hours of my day. I'm going to call my boyfriend. He is in a time difference. It's 1 hour. He's going to go to bed a bit earlier than me. I haven't talked to him in a couple of days on the phone, so that'll be nice. And then I'm going to go to bed. I feel like this day was actually very productive. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. The next video after this video is going to be one that has been in the making for a month. So if you haven't subscribed already, then you should, and put on post notifications so you don't miss that video. It'll be a really fun one. Anyway, bye! Mwah.